nagiging ating gabay. Sana yung ating pong panalangin at pakiusap ay mas lalo pang mapalalim yung ating paniniwala, yung ating pagmamahal kiinang Piña-Francia, at ganon din sa tingin ko mas parehong mahalaga yung ating pagmamahal sa ating lungsod, sa ating rehiyon, sa ating komunidad. At ang drill exhibition competition, pareho po ng nabanggit ng ating panauhing pandangal kanina, si Police Brigadier General Luis Trimundo Ubingke, ay sana patuloy na magbuklod sa atin bilang isang community. Viva la Virgen! Viva la Virgen! Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Mayor Nelson S. Legacion. And to give us an intermission number from the Philippine Baton Twirling Association Incorporated is the President at Philippine Baton Twirling Association, Ms. Alexandra Nicole Cordes.
Here comes a wave meant to wash me away, a tide that is taking me under. Swallowing sand, having nothing to say, my voice drowned out in thunder. But I won't cry, and I won't start to crumble. Whenever they try to shut me or cut me down, I won't be silenced. You can't keep me quiet. Won't tremble when you try it. All I know is I won't go speechless. 'Cause I'll breathe when they try to suffocate me. Don't you underestimate me, 'cause I know that I won't go speechless. Written in stone, every rule, every word, centuries old and unbending. Stay in your place, better seen and not heard. But now that story's ending. 'Cause I cannot start to crumble. So come on and try to shut me and cut me down. I won't be silent. You can't keep me quiet. Won't tremble when you try it. All I know is I won't go speechless, speechless.
Thank you very much, Miss Alexandra Nicole Cordes, for that wonderful intermission number. The President of the Philippine Baton Twirling Association, Incorporated. And we also would like to thank our callers, headed by the Police Office of PNP Naga. And now, the introduction of judges for the drill exhibition competition for fancy and silent drill. Our judge number 1 is an acting force commander of the City Mobile Force Company, Naga City Police Office, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Public Safety, PNPA CL 2009, kaisang BC, native of Bato, Camarines Sur, married to Mrs. Salve M. Zurilia. Ladies and gentlemen, our judge number 1, Police Major Barry Gib Talagtag Zurilia. Our judge number 2 is an Assistant Chief of the City Operation Management Unit of the Naga City Police Office, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Public Safety, PNPA CL 2016, Masundayaw, recently assigned as Company Commander in Regional Mobile Force Battalion 5. Ladies and gentlemen, our judge number 2, Police Captain Joven Luis Villaluz Ondivilla. Sound.
Check.
Our judge number 3, from San Fernando, Camarines Sur, a graduate of the Philippine National Academy, a member of PNPA Masundayaw Class 2016 with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Public Safety, recently assigned as Company Commander in Regional Mobile Force Battalion 5, currently assigned in the Naga City Police Office as Assistant Chief in the City Operation Management Unit.
Of fancy drill and dance. Movements of cadet and cadets, 25 points. Carriage of rifle and execution of fancy movement, 25%. Fancy dance portion, 30%. General appearance and smartness, 10%. With a total of 100 points. And we have 11 competing contingent for the fancy silent drill exhibition.
And our penalty judge studied in University of Santo Tomas Conservatory of Music, major in jazz studies, emphasis in percussion, Vice President of the Percussive Art Society Philippines, Board of Director of the Drumlines of the Philippines, Percussion Coordinator of the Music Teachers Network Alliance, Director for Drumline in World Association of Marching Show Bands Philippines, former Artistic Director of Far Eastern University Drumline and Far Eastern University DBC, a graduate of Michael Alba Drum Program Module 1 to 3, an active music arranger in the country, freelance drum and lyre instructor and speaker, our penalty judge, Mr. Isaac de Alva III. Once again, good morning. This is the CAT Silent Fancy Drill Exhibition Competition. Our first entry from Tara, Sipocot, Camarines Sur, Sipocot National High School. When ready, you may proceed with your exhibition.